Hi friends, this question is from test series 6 subject thermodynamics, and this question is based on first law of thermodynamics and energy interactions, heat and work interaction. So in this question, a piston cylinder device is shown in figure which contains 0.1 meter cube of gas at the pressure of 5 bar. So P1 is equal to 5 bar and V1 is equal to 0.1 meter cube. Now the spring exerts a force which is proportional to the displacement of the volume it is given, and the atmospheric pressure is given as 1 bar. The gas is heated until the volume is double, so V2 is 2 times of V1, that is equal to 0.2 meter cube. So V2 is equal to, I am writing here, V2 is equal to 2 times of V1, that is equal to 0.2 meter cube, and the P2 value is given as 20 bar. Atmospheric pressure is given as 1 bar, and the cross-sectional area of the piston, is given as 20 centimeter square, or initial pressure P1 is given as 5 bar. Now we have to find out the spring force constant, means value of K. So we know that the value F is equal to K into X. Now if we know the value of F and X, we can easily find out the value of K. So here the condition 1 is shown as the pressure is P1 is equal to 5 bar, V1 is equal to 0.1 bar, and only two forces are there. One force is P ATM, which is equal to 1 bar, and P of spring. So now when heat is added, then piston is moved from one position to two position, and it displaced by the volume of X. Okay, so now in first condition, if we apply the energy conservation law, then it is P1 A1 is a force which is exerted on the piston in this side is equal to PA into A into plus PS1 even. So PS1 can be written as KX1. Suppose X is in, this is X1 and this total is X2. Okay, right. So it is nothing but is equal to PA plus K by A V1 minus V0 is a initial volume, and this one. Now the force balance on the piston in the final state, we can write it as P2A is equal to PA into A plus KX2 is equal to PA into A plus K by A into V2 minus V0. Very good. Now by substituting this is suppose equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So with the help of equation 1 and 2, we can find out that P2 minus P1 is equal to K by A square V2 minus V1. So all these values are given. Now from here we can find out the value of K. So K is equal to nothing but 20 minus 5 into 10 to the power 2 into 20 into 10 to the power minus 4 to the power 2 divided by 0.2 minus 0.1, that is equal to 60 Newton per meter. So the value of K is 60 Newton per meter. Okay, this is very important question in the point of view of GATE. Thank you.